We begin with breaking news in the 1996 conviction and sentencing of Lyle and Eric Menendez for the 1989 murder of their parents.
L.A. County District Attorney George Gascón announcing this afternoon that the case is under review by his office. The Menendez brothers have been serving life in prison without the possibility of parole. Their appeals repeatedly denied. The brothers claim their father, Jose Menendez, sexually abused them. New evidence in the case appears to support that claim. Gascón says attorneys for the 56 and 53-year-old brothers have asked a court to vacate their conviction. This leaves them with two options.
One possibility, what is being alleged by his lawyers, not by us, that there was evidence that had that evidence been presented to the jury, the outcome of this case would have been different. And second, under California law, a path to resentencing where a prosecutor can evaluate whether someone has been rehabilitated, and if so, ask the court to determine whether the person should be resentenced.
DA Gascón says he'll make a final decision on whether to file for resentencing based on the review by his office. A court hearing on the brothers' petition is scheduled for November 29th.
And just moments ago, the defense team for the Menendez brothers held a press conference following today's announcement.
Our team coverage continues now with Eyewitness News reporter Amy Powell live in downtown L.A. with new reaction. Amy.
Javon and Mark, some very extraordinary developments in this high-profile murder case. As you mentioned, Eric and Lyle Menendez have been in prison for 35 years for the 1989 murders of their parents without the possibility of parole. Mark Yergos, the attorney representing the brothers, says District Attorney George Gascón made what he called a bold decision to reconsider new pieces of evidence that he says support the arguments that the brothers were victims of sexual abuse by their father. Yergos spoke to reporters a short time ago during a news conference.
We presented two pieces of evidence. The one was a letter from Eric to Andy Cato, which predates the killings by 8 months. The other was a declaration by Roy Rosello, who is another victim of Jose. The combination of those two, we believe, provide more than ample basis to set aside the result of the second trial.
Now again, none of this has been decided yet, but the district attorney could look at resentencing the Menendez brothers. A judge would have to decide to reduce their sentence to manslaughter. Now, if they had been sentenced to manslaughter several years ago, they would have been released long ago because they would have served their time. Now, an attorney representing 24 family members of the Menendez brothers says the family all agrees that they should be resentenced and set free. So at this point, we don't know what's going to happen. There's a lot of options, a lot of possibilities. We're just going to have to wait and see what the DEA eventually decides to do.